Let's bulk upload some user data onto our Moodle test server. So, in site administration, users, just want a browse list of users, and that's that default admin account that I created when I installed this test server. So back to the Users tab here in Site Administration, I'll click Upload Users. And first thing you can do is check out this example.csv file. I'll just open that up and it'd be kind of a template for you. It's got the minimum data necessary to do a bulk user data upload in Moodle. We've got 4 columns, a username, first name, last name, and email. And it's important that the column headers look just like that, all lowercase and all one word. And then they give you rows 2, 3, and 4, student 1, 2, and 3. Just delete that out of there and add in your own user information, as I've done right here. And I've also added a 5th column with the heading of Cohort 1. This allows me to put the users into a cohort as part of this user data upload. And the values in this spreadsheet here in the Cohort 1 field are cohort ID data. And these values are unique for each of the cohorts. And I added these values when I did my bulk cohort upload. And this is what that data looked like in that spreadsheet. So when a user has that cohort ID data, they are a member of that cohort. Okay. Check out the bulk upload users page at docs.moodle.org. You're going to learn a lot, including all the optional fields that you can include in your spreadsheet. Now, when you save your file and go to this drop down here, and you want to save it as a CSV file, but not just any CSV file, it's going to be a UTF-8, delimited CSV file. Save that, confirm. I'm just going to drag and drop it right in here. Click Upload Users, and here we've got a preview. First 10 records, everything looks good. So I'm going to click Upload Users. And I'm going to review the results and make sure I'm happy with everything. Users created 100. That's excellent. I'll go back to Users and browse the list of users. And there's 100 users plus that admin account that was already on there. And I see we've got 4 pages of users here. And this is looking great. Now I wonder if the cohorts took. I'll check that out. Again, that's under users. Now cohorts. Now under the cohort size column, you can see that some users were added in here. So I'm going to click the down pointing arrow next to the cog here and go to the assignments page. And these are the members of this cohort. And I'm happy because I've got user data on my test server.